Abantu bagira ngo kuba ari kutunga uburemezi baza ha polisi okushaba obutambi okubahwera okumaraho uburemezi obu bari kuba batungire polisi bashaba sente nyamwingi.
Mukasheshe kunagira polisi ndikwenda nti banyambe baze mu cameras bambuze emitwaro 40 umwana inyenda ngo baze mu cameras nyine kurunde emitwaro 40 rero hasigara bone kuza mu cameras nashanaga ko nka following day kuja probably change yona no ondisho surprising nkashago n'abantu batari kushaka kungana ondisho unashanje nawe yambuze emitwaro 40.
Extortion of money at police is real. Myself, I have witnessed and seen our citizens who go there for police bond. Police bond is free, but they are asked money to be given police bond. One who is managing the file of any other person, you know, they will say, before we release you out of the cells, we need something.
Robert Kakuru orukwebembere ekitongore kya corruption out of Uganda nagira ngu abantu abingi tubakatendekirwa ku CCTV cameras rukora mucyanga nkana bamumba polisi tabari kubishoborokerwa.
If you ask of any camera footage and you had an issue, they even ask you for us to go and verify and go where the cameras are. There is no fuel for interpretation, for a person to go and interpret this information. They confuse you around that. And then they end up asking you money, which is extortion. That service is supposed to be free.
Tuganireho na Elimati omugambirizi wa polisi omucyange kya Kigezi ahanshongeji.
Tuwa muntu yena nguzi, tuwa muntu yena sente mu polisi, oba nabo abebwero abagala kugamba ngenda ku polisi ngenda kuyamba mbasa sente nedda. Ekintu ekyo tujja kukigoberera.
Elimate yasaba abantu bona kubahwera kurwanisa enguzi eri omu polisi.
Emitendera egyo nga bulijjo oba ofunye ekizibu kyonna tusaba ogende ku counter oripotinga omusango. Omusango ogufayiro bajja kugitwala OCCID agiwe ani ananoonyereza ku musango.
Kamera za polisi omucyange kya Kigezi ziri mu ndembo nka Rukungiri, Kisoro hamwe na Kabare. Gashakwa Job n'amanya.